Hello everyone, welcome to VisualSnaps. Today we're talking about how to shoot steady handheld video. One way to shoot steady handheld video is to use a neck strap. What you do is you take your neck strap and tension it against your neck, pushing out, which allows you to get steadier shots. Another thing you can do is shoot at a wider frame. This means that the shakiness of your hands will not be translated as much into the final shot. One tool that you can use to get steadier video is to use a Steadicam. This uses counterweights to give you a steadier shot. If you don't have a Steadicam, you can use a tripod or monopod in the same way. One thing to think about is it's easier to handhold a heavier camera steadily than a lighter one. Well, that's it for today. Like this video if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below and I'll be sure to answer them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.